stretch out the mind. This is the second video. In the first video, I was explaining about some advices about how to be in harmony or to keep the flow when you are a developer, and the healthiness, the limits. Okay, after we have that in mind, now we can move on to the project itself. This project is kind of easy, but at the same time, I want you to pay attention because it's going to be at the same time very complete. First thing first, I just created a file here. We're going to create maybe another one for you to know if you don't know how to create a file. I am using Visual Studio, and also I am using the structure of HTML version 5. We can put the version over here, version 5. And we can go live and see this project running. We don't need SAMP for it to work. You can see that now it is showing just the date, okay? Today says that is Wednesday of March 11, 2026, which is not very like a very important thing from the moment, okay? Before we continue, we're just gonna make the structure of the project, and after that we're gonna make the styling of it. We're gonna try to make this video, this project, in less than 10 minutes. So I won't talk. Let me I'm gonna open this. It seems not important, but trust me, details are important to remain the like the balance on the things, okay? Now in the main part here, we want to create just the section to insert the text. Section to insert text. And this section is gonna have a section. It's going to be just like that. And the name of the section is gonna be, for example, ID text saver, for example. And we're gonna create another section that is gonna be section ID diary how can I say, showcase. And when I say diary showcase, it is gonna be like a little Instagram, but instead of showing pictures, it's gonna show the text that we have saved with the date of the text that we have saved. As simple as that. Before we continue, we're going to create a structure that looks better than just the simple one that is on HTML. In order for us to do that, first I would like to just preset the fav icon here. I'm just going to put an empty fav icon because I don't like the one that is on there. Okay, let's refresh. It is supposed to just remove that icon, but it is not doing it because of the direction that it has, not because of anything else. Okay, just let's close in here and let's continue developing. You see this here? Let's now create the tailwind structure of a formulary. Simple as that. And we're gonna go here, let's see, this one. I usually open this one very often, so I'm gonna go to code, and here I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna place this form on here. Okay, you can see that a lot of things have been placed on here that I will not be using, okay? Being honest. I will see the preview before seeing it on the website. And now I'm gonna save here, and I'm gonna just see the diary, and you can see that here it is showing the kind of the same formulary. It looks kind of out of range, but it is because of the main container. What I'm going to do is that I am going to create a file that is gonna be the style, the main style, as simple as that. And the main style is gonna contain the main, for example, and here I'm gonna say that I would like that it has a 70 view width, and we're gonna just refresh, and you would see that main width. Okay. Oh, I'm missing the link to the style sheet here. Sorry if you see that I am going too fast. Now let's go to the main here, and I will say also that I would like a margin of 10% top and auto to put it on the center. And as you can see, it is in the center. Now I will remove the photo, the cover photo, and you see this personal information. I will leave it just like that, and I will place, you see the about? I will take the about, and the about, I will say, I will put, for example, diary text, and that's everything. Let's go to the about, and this is kind of the only row or column, sorry, that we're gonna take, the about. Almost everything else is gonna be taken. So we're gonna go up from here to the top side, and let's see, this profile, everything is gonna be taken. Okay, let's refresh, because this div is containing a lot of things here. And we can just, to see, for example, this down here, we can just plug it off. I mean, just like this, and remove it. And you can see that we have a lot of things removed, and we can just place them here. I don't know if you have created a Tumblr account, right? This is similar. Now I'm gonna put diary text. You will see, refresh, and here is the diary text. Now I will put, for example, you see on the header, I would like that the header has the same appearance as the main. I will put here header, and you will see that it places the header just right in the middle. I will remove the photo and the cover of the photo. I will stop the video just in some seconds because I don't want the video to be stopped by the machine. Sometimes the memory, as I told you before, the flow in the nature says, hey, what are you doing? You are doing too much. Boom, and it stops the video. And it is nothing like for you to be, oh, super worried. If you saw my video before, you will understand everything that I am saying and even more. You will be able to accomplish much more than before, and you will be able to do things with more uh, sense than before. Sadly, what I explained it in the video before is something that I haven't heard in anything, I mean, in any other place. There are many good developers that I have learned from, but these principles are linked to the nature and to the spiritual life. And remember, they are in my other video. So don't hesitate to look for my other video, which is gonna help you a lot. Trust me. Let's remove the photo. Cancel here. And the cover photo as well. And that's everything. I'm gonna leave it here, okay? Write a few sentences about yourself. Here, instead of saying about yourself, it can say about your day. Leave the troubles of each day be sufficient for the day, said Jesus Christ of Nazareth. See you in the next video.